professor's skill, which I think she's also memorized from ChatGPT. I'm just going around. Probably we can ask few words from our, you know?
Happy birthday, Ange. I have to say this kasi natampuin ka eh. Favorite notes, I love you, Ange. Wag mo yun. Favorite daughter lang eh. Ano tayo sa favorite daughter? Panalo ka na. For the last few months, sabi mo ba? For the last few months, please, may pwede na teleside. So that's enough. Happy birthday.
Thank you. I think, no, I'm just going around and round and round. Let's ask Ate Kai. Ate Kai, what's your message for...
Just wishing you a happy birthday. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Of course, ito tayo kasi since kukonti lang naman tayo.
Kukunti lang.
So, we have our lovely titas from Blackpool. Ang yun naman, napakaganda.
Nagsiwalaan!
Na pumabata. Pumabata everyday. So, what's your message to us?
Tita Bang! Tita Bang! Tita Bang! Manang Bang! Manang Bang! Oy, si ate, kasi kilimpan ko na happy birthday!
Hindi ako naglagay ng bago.
Hindi kasi may
Thank you.
May
And of course, nagsalita ang ating butihing ina over there.
Butihing ama.
Ang ating butihing ina ng ating ina.
Ah! Ina na ina mo. Oh, lalapit, lalapit. Lalapit, lalapit kami.
Angela, happy 40th birthday.
Tayo na doon. Para makamay na tayo.
Life begins at 40.
Dinig na dinig ka. Dinig na dinig ka.
Naka-video pala.
And we pray that love
Huli ka ngayon.
will be in your home all the time.
Ma'am, you eat na.
Inspire you both to grow together.
Nagsalita ka
Love
rin.
the children.
Di ba nagpunta yung
May
mic?
the good Lord shower all of you in the family good health, sound mind, and guide you to your success and to the right path to achieve your goals and dreams. Happy birthday. You know the Garcia family loves you.
Thank you very much. Over to you, RJ.
Uy, ganon! May ganon!
RJ, what's...
Okay. Don't worry, you're the first cousin, so you will have to say as well. So coming to Blackpool in 2021, I don't know anyone here, but Ate Angela was like my big sister. She taught me who to trust, who not to trust.
Oh!
But of
Yari!
course, we need to test the waters first. And of course, throughout the years, Ate Angela has been my #1 support here in the UK. And I just want to say happy birthday. We love you. I and Haisan love you so much. And hi babe. And
engaged na pala sila.
engaged na po kami ni Haisan.
Ayan o, ayan o, ayan o, ayan o, ayan o, salamin!
of the moment, happy birthday again, Ate Angela. If you want to see the ring, it's here. Joking. Going to the first cousin.
Baka umiyak ako, Charlotte. Happy birthday. For those who don't know me, I'm the first cousin. Madam, I love you so much. Thank you so much for always being there. You and Kuya Mark has always been there to give advice and everything. So, konting kwento lang nung first time ako dumating dito, that was January. And sobrang lamig. So, pagdating ko, syempre galing pa kami sa airport and everything. Si Manang, may ano na siya, kompleto na. Meron na akong coat na pang winter, lahat. Meron na akong leggings na fur leggings and everything. May grocery ako. And then, pagdating, walang kung ano-ano. Umalis kami agad. Dinala niya ako sa Sainsbury. Dinala kami na RJ Solidan. I mean, that goes around. So, ganyan si Manang. She's very thoughtful. She's very caring. She always go an extra mile to make you feel important and special. That's Manang is.
Ala, uy! Ano ba yan? Capture the moment! May umiyak.
Going back to the second cousin, Mari. So yeah, in short, we're really happy that Ate Angela is in our lives. And Elijah has a message.
Hi, I love you so much.
Aww.
Yes.
We're so stuck yung cousin.
Kala ko sino.
Going back to the first.
First back to the first cousin.
Thank you. Ano ba party na? Who else wants to give a message? Ano dyan? Mag-message.